How does Chinese Muslim villa look like in China? Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm in Yunnan Najiayin with sister Melian and brother Ibrahim. This is their villa. Let's have a villa tour. Let's go. Wow, it's huge entrance. They having a rice noodle factory. You know, they producing really good rice noodle, and they're gonna participate in the Chinese Muslim festival event in this December. Oh, this is all yours?
Yeah, this is all my family.
All your family?
Yeah, my father's three brothers living in this area. This is my uncle Zhen. This is my biggest uncle.
Okay. How about that?
That one is my sisters.
Oh, your sisters? Sister Melanie, yeah?
Yeah, we're living together.
Oh, living together?
Yeah.
You don't fight?
Oh, we never fight.
Wow, they even have a fish pond inside the compound. Wow, what's this? Yes, let's feed some fish. Your family really know how to enjoy the life. Let's go inside the villa.
Welcome.
Yeah, we don't have to take off the shoes in China.
小度，
不用脱鞋吧？
不用不用。
不用。小度，开灯。
Oh. Oh, this is the dinner table, and that is the Chinese kitchen. Yeah. Oh, this is the living room.
Yeah.
Look, and this furniture. 红木，对吧？Very expensive wood. Wow. Wow. Tea table. It's a very common, you know, in Yunnan. Every family has a tea table. Wow. They make it to another level. Really nice teapots and teacups. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. This is his uncle's villa. Oh, we have similar stuff. Wow.
This one is Tasmi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This side and this side. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد الله أكبر.
This is the living room. This is pu'er tea. It's like iconic tea here in Yunnan. This is Sister Melian's house. Yeah, we're gonna have the dinner at his house. They have same layouts but different style. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, wow. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, really contemporary decor, yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Oh. Wow, look at that. Wow. All the local authentic foods. This is Islam. You know, we just feel like, you know, home with brothers and sisters. Yeah. Bismillah. Let's try the local delicacy, frozen fish. You know, after frozen, the texture of the fish become like the jelly. This is the beef with sesame and fried together with the meat. This is called tang.
Yeah.
Really soft. This is the most expensive dish, wild mushroom called ganbajun. You know, 1 kilo for 2,000 yuan. Yeah, they are really showing their hospitality. Very premier mushroom. Yunnan people love mushroom, especially those wild ones from the mountains. It's the stewed beef. You can see the fat. It's the yellow color. Wow, it's really high quality beef. This is also the local delicacy. It's made with the peanut. It's actually the peanut butter, but they grind together with the rice, so it's the white color. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit salty, and very cream, almost like the cheese. This is niu ganba. It's similar like the beef bacon. Very strong taste of the fermented beef. This is another type of wild mushroom called niu ganjun. Also very expensive one. This is their prayer room. Yeah, we're gonna pray together. Oh, 99 names of Allah. 真主之大. It's Allahu Akbar. Now it's the tea time. We don't drink the first one. We rinse the tea. This is her product. very good instant rice noodle, produced here in Najiayin. He's the owner of that factory, Sister Mary Yan. They are doing really good quality mixian. I'm selling this for 2 years in my live stream. So how many years have you been in this food industry?
4 years.
She will participate in our Chinese Muslim food festival in Malaysia, Antuan Utama. If you have time, come to meet Sister Marianne to try her rice noodle. Such a pleasant day, really authentic food and the tea. If you want to know more about the Chinese Muslim food and culture, follow me.